Hello, I just finished Google's intensive 6-hour prompt engineering course and it is hands down the best AI training available. I am saving you the time by packing very essential tactic into this guide so you can master the system in minutes. Google structures their entire framework around 5 core principles: task, context, references, evaluate, and iterate. Let us break down how to use them. The foundation is the task. Define the task, use personas and formatting. Don't just say write something about marketing and help me with my project. Instead say write a 500-word blog post, format as bullet points, enhance this by assigning a persona like asking the AI to act as marketing expert. The more specific your task definition, the better your results. Next is context. This is the background data that steers the model. The rule is absolute. The more information you provide, less the AI has to guess. Tell it who your audience is, what is the specific goal of the project, and what style should it choose, such as Markdown table and JSON. To lock in quality, add references. Paste in your best previous work and tell the model, write a new version using the exact style and structure of these examples. This dramatically improves output quality. The best results come from a continuous feedback loop. Don't expect perfection on the first try. The loop to be used is evaluate, iterate, and repeat. Once you get a response, check it. Does it hit the tone? Is the data right? If not, iterate. Google suggests simplifying your sentence or adding constraints like must be under 90 seconds to force better results. Each iteration brings you closer to perfection. Prompting is not just for text anymore. Modern AI models like Gemini can process and generate multiple types of content. You can upload images for analysis, description, or to use as reference materials in your prompts. You can upload audio files for transcription, analysis, or content generation based on spoken input. For complex projects, use prompt chaining. Use the output of one prompt as the input for the next. This creates a logical progression that handles sophisticated workflows. Build your project layers by layer, from names to taglines to a full launch plan. Use chain of thought prompting. Explicitly ask the AI to explain its reasoning step by step. This technique dramatically improves accuracy for complex problems. This helps to spot flawed logic immediately and ensures a more accurate final answer. Add phrases like let us think step by step or explain your reasoning to activate chain of thought prompting. The ultimate cheat code is meta prompting. Ask the AI to write prompts for you. Describe what you want to accomplish and let the AI craft the perfect prompt using all these principles. Follow this loop of task, context, and iteration, and you will save hours of work every week.